Hi all. Today we are going to deal with the cranial nerves. The brain consists of central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is brain and spinal cord, and peripheral nervous system is somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is cranial nerve and spinal nerves, and autonomic nervous system is sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. So we are today discussing about the cranial nerves in detail. That cranial nerves are nerves that emerge directly from the brain. Cranial nerves are 12 pairs. Cranial nerve relay information between the brain and part of the body. The cranial nerves are emerged from the central nervous system above the level of first vertebrae. Each cranial nerve is paired and is present on both sides. They represent Roman letters 1 to 12. The numbering of the cranial nerve is based on the order in which they emerge from the brain and brainstem, from the front to back. The cranial nerves are classified into three: sensory cranial nerves, motor cranial nerves, and mixed cranial nerves. The sensory cranial nerve contain only afferent, that is sensory fibers. The sensory cranial nerve contain only afferent fibers, that is only sensory. Sensory cranial nerve including first cranial nerve, that is olfactory nerve, second cranial nerve, optic nerve, eighth cranial nerve, vestibulocochlear nerve. And second one is motor cranial nerve. The motor cranial nerve contain only efferent fibers, that is motor fibers only. The motor cranial nerve including third cranial nerve, oculomotor nerve, fourth cranial nerve, trochlear nerve, sixth cranial nerve, abducens nerve, 11th cranial nerve, accessory nerve, 12th cranial nerve, hypoglossal nerve. The third one is mixed nerve. The mixed nerve contain only both sensory and motor nerves, that including 5th cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve, 7th cranial nerve, facial nerve, 9th cranial nerve, hypoglosopharyngeal nerve, and 10th one is vagus nerve. First we can deal with sensory nerve, that is first one is olfactory. The olfactory nerve convey the sense of smell, the assessment including examination of the smell. Any damage to the olfactory nerve cause inability to smell, any distortion in the sense of smell, or a distortion or lack of taste. Second cranial nerve is optic nerve, that is optic nerve transmit visual information. Any damage to the optic nerve affect specific aspect of the vision that depend on the location of the damage. The eighth cranial nerve is vestibulocochlear nerve. The vestibulocochlear nerve supplies information relating to balance and hearing via two branches, the vestibular part for equilibrium and cochlear part for hearing. This is all about sensory cranial nerves. Next we can see the motor cranial nerves. The motor cranial nerves including third cranial nerve, oculomotor nerve, fourth trochlear nerve, sixth abducens nerve. The oculomotor, trochlear and abducens nerves are coordinating the eye movements. Oculomotor nerve control all movement of eye except for the superior oblique muscle controlled by the trochlear nerve, and lateral rectus muscle controlled by the abducens nerve. This means ability to look downward and inward is controlled by trochlear nerve. The ability to look outward controlled by abducens nerve. All other movement is controlled by oculomotor nerve. Damage to this nerve may cause any damage in the movement of the eye. Next, 11th cranial nerve. Next motor nerve is 11th cranial nerve, that is spinal accessory nerve. The spinal accessory nerve supplies sternocleidomastoid and trapezius muscle. Any damage to the accessory nerve lead to weakness of the trapezius muscle on the same side as the damage. The 12th cranial nerve is hypoglossal. The hypoglossal nerve supplies intrinsic muscle of the tongue and controlled tongue movements. Any damage to the nerve leads to weakness of the tongue movement on that side. The last we can see the mixed cranial nerves. The mixed cranial nerves are the remaining four, that is fifth cranial nerve, trigeminal nerve. In trigeminal nerve, the sensory function is sensation of the face and motor function is mastication. The seventh cranial nerve, facial nerve, the sensory function is supplies anterior 1/3 of the tongue sensation. Motor function is face muscle movement. Next, ninth cranial nerve is glossopharyngeal. The sensory function of the glossopharyngeal is supplies posterior 1/3 of the tongue sensation and motor function is swallowing. The last one is vagus nerve, that is 10th cranial nerve. The sensory function is visceral sensation and motor function is swallowing. And at last we can see the largest cranial nerve, that is trigeminal nerve, thinnest cranial nerve, trochlear nerve, longest cranial nerve is vagus nerve, and smallest cranial nerve is olfactory nerve. Thank you all. Thank you.